Hello. At this point, I'm just buying them without even knowing कि मैं इनको कहाँ लगाऊंगी. Love everything about it and highly recommend it. So that was a bummer. Hi, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. So I'm back with another Amazon haul. Now starting with the first item which is kept right here, like it's just out of the frame, but आपने I think already काफी videos में देख लिया होगा, which is a very huge item, so I can't bring it here, which is my clothing rack. I love the look of a clothing rack, and I think this is the first piece that I got for this entire space even before moving in, because I wanted a clothing rack badly. मुझे उसका aesthetics बहुत अच्छा लगता है, and you know I've been using them in so many videos. Now the hanging space is actually really large, so you can hang a lot of things. Abhi I think I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like 10, 11 hangers on it already, and you can see it's not bending. इसकी क्वालिटी एक्चुअली अच्छी है, बट ये बहुत लाइट है एंड मुझे लगा नहीं था इतनी अच्छी होगी. इट्स वेरी लाइट वेट, लाइक यू कैन लिटरली जस्ट लाइक लिफ्ट इट लाइक दिस, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, बट इट इज स्टर्डी एज वेल एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. ऑल्सो आई गॉट इट इन ब्लैक कलर बिकॉज आई हैव ब्लैक एक्सेंट्स थ्रू आउट द रूम, तो मुझे ब्लैक पसंद आया, बट देयर इज अ वाइट वेरिएंट एज वेल. And I'll make sure that I link everything in the bottom bar. Got these hooks here at the side जहाँ पे आप अपने hats and पर्सेस वगैरह टांग सकते. एंड एट द बॉटम इट्स गॉट स्पेस फॉर फुटवेयर एज वेल. सो आई थिंक अगर आपके पास स्पेस की कमी है, स्टोरेज की कमी है, या फिर आपकी क्लॉजेट्स वगैरह बहुत छोटी हैं, यू कैन डेफिनेटली कीप वन ऑफ दीज इन योर स्पेस एंड you can hang a lot of things in this. Moving on to the next item which I got for the clothing rack specifically were a set of 10 wooden hangers. I don't remember the price exactly. I'll put it up here somewhere in the screen, but these are amazing. Like the quality is really good. Now I have hung like really light pieces as well as super heavy coats as well in these hangers, and you can see hangers काफी अच्छे हैं, इनकी quality बहुत अच्छी है. So if you're looking to buy wooden hangers, I would highly recommend these. I know wooden hangers can be a little expensive, but they're a good investment, I would say. They last you for a long time. And plastic वाले थोड़ा सा flimsy जाता है, कभी कभी like लटक जाते हैं, कुछ heavy कपड़ा हो, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. एंड एस्थेटिकली ऑल्सो दे लुक रियली गुड. सो अगर आप भी क्लोथिंग रैक के लिए स्पेसिफिकली हैंगर्स ढूंढ रहे हो, आई वुड से गेट देम, और इफ यू वांट टू गेट देम इन जनरल. इसमें काफ़ी अच्छे यहाँ पे नॉच टाइप के भी हैं जिसपे आप अपने स्ट्रैपी क्लोथ्स टांग सको अच्छे से. नेक्स्ट आई गॉट अ सेट ऑफ 4 दीज लाइक कॉर्क, व्हाट आर दोस कॉल्ड, coasters. I just had to Google it, but I got these cork coasters जो कि IKEA से I think, and I really like them. I got them specifically because they are very unique. Like I've never seen something like this. ये वो जो cork का material होता है, ये उसी का बना हुआ है, and ये काफी अच्छा लगता है. Like I keep them in my center table and it looks really good. It's very practical, very useful, and love that practicality के साथ साथ अच्छे aesthetics भी मिल जाते हैं. तो that is like the perfect combination. So I really like them. I think they were for 200 something rupees, so would highly recommend if you're looking for coasters. I also use this to keep my candle. तो मेरी एक bubble candle है, मैं उसको इसके ऊपर रखती हूँ, उसके साथ भी काफी अच्छा लगता है. And overall they are just coasters, but they're like very aesthetically pleasing coasters, so I love them. Moving on to the next item, which is like a very functional item, which is this brush, makeup brush holder, or you can make it like a utensil holder. I think this was supposed to be like a utensil holder originally, but I use it as a makeup brush holder. It is an acrylic container, and I really like the shape of it. First of all, it has a very asymmetric vibe to it, very flowy vibe to it. I really like that. So there is one problem that I have with this container, which is that it is really wobbly. Like, can you see it does not have a stable this surface. I don't know if it's done for a reason ताकि ये ऐसे ही घूम पाए, rotate हो पाए, so that you can get access to all the products, or it is a defect. Not sure about that, but ओवरऑल मेरे को ये सही लगता है, सो आई डोंट माइंड दैट मच. आई लव एक्रिलिक प्रोडक्ट्स, मुझे बहुत ऐसे क्लियर वाइब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, एंड आई रियली लाइक दिस. काफ़ी ऐसे बेसिक सा है, बट इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर ऐसे मेकअप ब्रश होल्डर्स या फिर किचन के लिए यूटेंसिल होल्डर्स, आप इसके अंदर पे स्पून वगैरह भी रख सकते हो, और यू कैन कीप योर स्टेशनरी इनसाइड दैट, उसके लिए भी काफ़ी अच्छा ऑप्शन है. ASMR. Moving on to the final item of this box, which is actually not like a decorative thing, but it is more like a very practical item which I desperately needed, which is a steamer. मैंने ये अब तक use नहीं करा है, तो I won't comment on how good this is, but there is like a big mistake that these guys committed, which is, see, I got this steamer. This is what the color is supposed to be. Website पे भी यही color था, but when you open it, you've got a surprise, which is, oops, they sent this hot pink steamer. I wanted the white one. I love white, but then when I opened it, I was like, what the fuck? And then I read the reviews, and इसके reviews में भी काफी लोगों ने लिखा है कि you usually get this color instead of white, which I should have read before, but okay. As long as it ढंग से काम करे, it's fine for me. Now I have not tried this yet, but maybe I'll try it and update you about this in some vlog in the future. But this is a steamer. So for my washroom, I got like 2 different sets of shelves. The first one are these Klaxon premium transparent glass shelf, and you can use this for your washrooms, for storage. I personally am using it for my washroom. I got it specifically for my washroom, and this comes in a set of 2. Welcome to my bathroom. So I have placed these shelves right beside my shower, and I keep all my like everyday shower essentials here. I've got my shampoo, face wash, conditioner, body wash, yada yada yada. But that is not what we're here to talk about. Let me show you the shelves here. So these are glass shelves, and इसमें से छोटी सी cute सी railing है in the periphery of the shelf, जो कि बहुत cute लगता है, and it makes sure कि आपका सामान ऐसे topple ना हो. These are really good shelves, and I got them for 849 rupees, and they're very sturdy, so I'm really happy with the quality. Next, I got a set of 3 shelves to store all my extra products and my skincare, and look how aesthetically I have arranged my products in this. Like, this is my favorite part about my washroom. So it's a set of 3 shelves, as I told you before, and these do not have any like railing kind of here. And let me give you a close-up of the glass, because the glass is really different. That one was a clean clear glass, but this one has a very like mattish kind of vibe to it, and मुझे ना ये काफी अच्छा लगता है. I love the minimal vibe of these shelves. This is the shelf situation right now. I would recommend you to get either of them. अगर आप 2 shelves ढूंढ रहे हो तो go for the first one. If you're looking for like 3 shelves जो थोड़े लंबे हैं and थोड़े से ना minimal type की vibe के हैं, which are more aesthetically pleasing, then go for these ones. Now we have come to the last box. Now the first thing in this is a blank canvas. I don't remember the size of it. Okay, it's 12 inches by 12 inches. अभी इसका ऐसे कुछ specific plan नहीं किया है मैंने कि इसमें मैं क्या बनाऊंगी या फिर कहाँ लगाऊंगी, but I just got it because I love like painting, although I don't do much of it anymore. College time पे मैं बहुत करती थी, but those 2 like things that you see in the background, those 2 frames there, ये भी मैंने खुद से बनाए हैं. इसका पूरा व्लॉग किया था मैंने, if you remember. So I was thinking कि इसमें भी कुछ बना के कहीं पे लगाती हूँ like छोटू सा. But let's see. If you have any ideas, tell me in the comments कि इसमें मैं क्या बना सकती हूँ, उसको कहाँ लगा सकती हूँ. But I'm like really excited to draw something on this. So I got a set of 3 frames. This is the size of a frame, and ये black frame, so like the border is all black. Now I do have a specific space in my studio जहाँ पे मैं इसको लगाने की सोच रही हूँ, but I'm not sure what colored like pictures I'm going to put in it and everything. But hopefully these will go up soon in the studio, and I think this is like one of the final touches that I need to do in the studio. तो फटाफट से लगा के आपको studio tour hopefully जल्दी मिल जाएगा. This was wrapped so tightly. That was a struggle, but this is basically what the frame looks like. And ऐसे 3 frame है इसमें, and black border, as I told you before. I think it's going to look really cute with the black, the clothing rack and everything. But ये काफी अच्छा है. Like the size of it, and it matches my that frame in the background क्योंकि उसमें भी black borders हैं. So let's see कहाँ पे लगाए जाएंगे and कैसे लगाए जाएंगे. But hopefully you'll see it soon. You can see me there. Hello. Now we're left with just the final few pieces. So I got again a set of 6 frames this time. ये वाले I'm thinking I'll put them in my hallway and I'll draw something, and मैं उसमें इसमें hand drawn pictures लगाने की सोच रही हूँ. Let's see. I have like a few pictures and a very different vibe that I have in my mind. Maybe किसी vlog में we'll do that together. Now compared to this one, these are really lightweight. Like there's a major weight difference that I can feel. And I think इस वाली की quality भी actually ज़्यादा अच्छी है. Like the quality of the frame and everything. ये थोड़ा सा flimsy लग रहा है मुझे. But the kind of pictures that I'm going to put in it, I don't think ज़्यादा matter करेगा. Now the final item of our box, which is a reed purchase that I've already made because I love them so much. If you remember, I got this hanging plant जो कि मैंने अपने living room पर लगा रखा है वहाँ पर, and I loved it so much that I got not only 1 but 2 more of those. If there is one thing that you are getting from this video ना, please get these. If you have any shelf of in your house या फिर किसी भी टेबल वगैरह में अपने बेड साइड पर और like even in your bathroom you can use to like just store these and ये ऐसे पूरा हैंग करते हैं नीचे को, ये बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It just brightens up any corner and it looks so damn good. इसमें आप ऐसे फेरी लाइट भी लगा सकते हो if you want and like I just love them. And इसकी क्वालिटी भी इतनी अच्छी है ना, it does not feel plastic की, बहुत ज़्यादा से fake सा नहीं लगता. When you keep it ना, it looks so good and for like 200 rupees it's the best decor item that you can buy from Amazon. I'm not even kidding. ये ऐसे black वाज में आता है. You can keep this as it is और इसको किसी बड़े से वाज में डाल के रख सकते हो. So the question of the day is, what's your favorite color right now? What is the color that you are vibing with these days? And that's it now. अगर आप लोग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो what are you waiting for? Subscribe करो यार. Click on the red button to subscribe and then click on the bell sign so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is usually every Monday and Thursday at 11 a.m. And that's it. I'll go now. Have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this video. And thank you for being here. I'm so grateful for you. I love you and I'll go now. Bye.
So where you wanna go? Let's see it all. Selfies on the Great Wall, maybe the Taj Mahal. Hey, we could stay out late after dark. Take a gamble in Monaco. We could swim with the sharks.